Hello and welcome to our comprehensive lesson on the basics of English grammar. Today, we will explore 5 fundamental topics that are essential for building a strong foundation in English: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and sentence structure. 1. Nouns. Let's start with nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They are often the subject or object in a sentence. Here are a few examples. People, teacher, doctor, Mary, places, park, city, London, things, book, car, Apple ideas, freedom, love, happiness. Nouns can be singular, one, or plural, more than one. For instance, cat is singular and cats is plural. 2. Pronouns. Next, we have pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. Common pronouns include subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Next object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Last possessive pronouns my, your, his, her, its, our, their.
For example, instead of saying, Mary went to Mary's car, you can say, Mary went to her car.
3. Verbs. Verbs are action words that describe what the subject is doing. They are essential to any sentence. Verbs can express physical actions like run, jump, or write, as well as mental actions like think, believe, or imagine. Verbs also indicate states of being such as am, is, are, was, and were.
Verbs change form based on tense: past, present, future. For example, present, I walk; past, I walked; future, I will walk.
4. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They provide additional information about a noun, making sentences more vivid and specific. Adjectives can describe qualities like size, shape, color, and more. For example,
the big dog, the red apple, the happy child.
5. Sentence structure. Now, let's look at sentence structure. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. The basic structure of a sentence includes a subject, a verb, and often an object. Here are a few examples.
Simple sentence: the cat sleeps. Subject: the cat verb, sleeps compound. Sentence: the cat sleeps and the dog barks. This sentence contains 2 independent clauses joined by a conjunction, and. Complex sentence: the cat sleeps because it is tired. This sentence contains an independent clause, the cat sleeps, and a dependent clause, because it is tired.
Combining the elements. Let's combine these elements into a cohesive example. Consider the sentence, the cheerful child plays with a red ball. Nouns: child, ball, pronoun. None in this sentence, but he could replace child. Verb: plays adjectives, cheerful, red. In this sentence, child is the subject, plays is the verb, and ball is the object. The adjectives cheerful and red give us more information about the child and the ball.
Conclusion. Mastering the basics of English grammar is crucial for effective communication. By understanding nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and sentence structure, you can build a solid foundation for more advanced grammar studies. Remember to practice regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and happy learning.
Like, do subscribe, press the bell icon button because it matters.